Welcome to Sprit Shack. This is our phone rig stabilizer. So if you're wanting to film videos from your phone, we always suggest you get one of these or a gimbal, because basically if you're trying to hold the phone in your hand's like shaking, and even the slightest little movement makes a big difference. If you're filming 2 meters away, every little movement's like a big jump. So basically you put your phone in there, adjust the clamp it down to keep it secure, and by holding it there with 2 hands, it's going to keep it a lot more stable. You're going to get a lot better footage with it. And it's got 2 hot shoe mounts on it, so you can add 2 lights, or you can add a light and a microphone. We also have the 1/4" female thread on the bottom, so if you want to attach a tripod, you can. You can obviously get the little tripods up to the full freestanding tripods. If you want to put it on a tripod vertically as well, you've also got the same 1/4" threads on either side, so you can do it that way as well. I'll put a link to this in the video description to buy the product, and thanks for watching.